How to fix the right click context menu opening on the left side on your laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video I'm going to fix your problem. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to click on start. So click on start, then you have to click on settings, and once you are on your laptop settings, now at the left side you will get a bunch of options. Now all you have to do, you have to click on Bluetooth and devices, click on it, and then you have to scroll down a little bit, and then here you will get mouse. Click on mouse, and now scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you will get related settings, and under this you will get additional mouse settings. Click on it, and now at the top you will get switch primary and secondary buttons. You have to disable this check mark from here. I mean, you have to uncheck this box, then you have to click on apply, then click on OK, and now restart your laptop, and through this your problem will be fixed. I hope this video helps you. Then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.